From a Buddhist perspective, everything changes, everything passes, things appearing, things disappearing. But when all is over, everything having appeared and having disappeared, being and extinction both transcended, still the basic emptiness and silence abides, and that is blissful peace. What you're looking at is an image of Kuan Yin. She, as many of you know, is the ultimate symbol of infinite compassion. Her name, Kuan Yin, which is her name in Chinese, means regarder of the cries of the world. In Japanese, her name is Kannon, and the gentleman whose picture is at the left is Reverend Tsuji, who was at various times head of the Buddhist Churches of Canada Department of Education. He was the Bishop of the Buddhist Churches of America, and prior to his passing he was the minister at the Ikoji Buddhist Temple in the Washington, D.C. area. Back when he was in Canada, Reverend Tsuji put together a document reflecting profession of faith. And Article 1 starts, "We affirm our faith in Amida Buddha, whose infinite light of wisdom and compassion shines on all corners of the universe." By the way, Kuan Yin, whom you're looking at, is a primary manifestation of Amida Buddha. Going on in Article 1, the first article tells us about the object of our worship, our faith in Amida, and what kind of Buddha he is. The teachings of Shinran Shonin begin with faith and end in faith. The epistles of Renyo Shonin, 8th descendant of Shinran, we find the words, "In the teachings as taught by the Shonin, faith is the essence." So you can see already that this form of Buddhism, Shin Buddhism or Jodoshinshu, which means true Pure Land Buddhism, is very different than many of the kinds of Buddhism that folks in the West have been exposed to thus far. Going on, though there are as many Buddhas as the sands of the Ganges River, there is one Buddha whose virtues make him outstanding before the eyes of all sentient beings. He is Amida Buddha. Buddha means a fully enlightened one, and Amida represents the two Sanskrit words Amitabha and Amitayus. Amitabha means infinite light, while Amitayus means infinite life. Amida Buddha, therefore, means the enlightened one of infinite life and light. Infinite life symbolizes eternal compassion, which fills the hearts of all sentient beings, and infinite light symbolizes eternal wisdom, which dispels the dark clouds of universal ignorance in the minds of all men and women. Right now, what I want to do is to chant the phrase that is the core practice of Shin Buddhism, which truly actually has no formal practice. But what we do as an expression of gratitude is to what we call say the name of Amida Buddha, or the Nembutsu. This is called the Nembutsu, and the phrase is Namu Amida Butsu, which means I take refuge in Amida Buddha. Namu Amida Butsu. Namu Amida Butsu. Namu Amida Butsu. Namu Amida Butsu. Namu Amida Boots. 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 Amida boots. Amida boots. Amida boots. Amida boots.